Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from Zulaysnails. This is her mystery box. This is the medium box. She came out with her mystery boxes on Monday, November 21st, and I absolutely had to buy one. They're almost all sold out. The only one left is the large box. So there's a small, medium, large, and extra large. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this opened. All right, I'm so excited. This is just the packing slip here. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I like the box. And I really enjoyed her acrylics. I did a set already with 2 of them, and I really liked them. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what's in the box. This is a cute box. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the top. I have to show you the top here. It says, "Thank you, Zulaysnails." Oh, look at that holographic. How cute. Alright, so the first thing we get here is some, oops, some gold foils, all different colors. How pretty. Let me move the light over here a little bit. Look at those. How pretty. So yeah, different colored foils. And then you get some of those real pretty flowers that have the gold little balls that you put in the center like that. Super cute. I love those. Get some sanding bands. Cool. Oh, these are the medium grit. Oh, that's cool. You get 50 pieces. And then we get 2 80-100 grit files. Cool. I've never tried her files, but I've seen people use them and they really like them. All right, we get some regular coffin clear tips. Let's take them out and look at them. I've never used her tips. Oh, how cute. Oh yeah, they're just the regular coffins. That's cool. So yeah, that's what they look like. Yeah, they're a good size though. All right, cool. Ooh, these are pretty. These are some rhinestones, Tanzanite AB. Just get this plastic off. Oh, look at that, how pretty. It's like a bluish purple. Oh, these are gorgeous. I don't think I have a color like this at all. No, I don't. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. And we get 6 different sizes. And these are cool. These are like the gold balls, but they're flat on the back. So it's like a half. Oh, cool. I do not have these. Oh, these will be cool for Christmas time. And then we get the silver. Oh, these are cool. These are a little bit bigger than the gold, but yeah, they're the flat. Oh, I love it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, a Kolinsky number 6 acrylic brush. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. Look, it says Zulay and then it has Kolinsky number 6. Oh, how cool. I love it. And then I believe this is a gel brush. Ooh, that's pretty. That handle on it says Zulay, but yeah, it's a like a gel brush. Oh, wow. Love it. Yeah, I love the mystery boxes. Oh gosh, I'm looking at the acrylics already. Let's see. We get a gel polish, UV LED soak off, and this is number 161. Oh, that's pretty. You can see it's a real pretty gold. Definitely in time for Christmas. Yeah, I'm gonna swatch all these at the end. Oh, I think there was a swatch. Oh yeah, there was a little swatch on it already. So yeah, it's the gold. And then another gel polish, $132. Oh, this is a gray. Oh, I love gray. I want to do gray nails. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that gray. How pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes, I am definitely loving this. This is incredible. Oh, this one came off. This is another polish. This is 027 and it looks like it's a pink glitter. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at all that glitter in there. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is the super matte no wipe. Yeah, I think she has a regular matte and then she has a super matte. I think one looks like velvet. They were talking about on one of her lives. All right, I'm excited to try that. Oops. Oh my gosh, how cute. These are little skulls. Look how cute. Little skulls and they're holographic. Wow, look at our AB. Look at that. Oh my gosh. How pretty. God, the shine on those. Some little butterflies. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at those butterflies. How pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't have any butterflies like that. And then we get two little sugared gummy bears. Let's see. Oh, look at the bling. Let's see. This looks super cool. Oh yeah, this is a little bit holder. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can put your bits in there. Let's see, I have some right here. I think it is, right? I think it is a bit holder. You can put it in, yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is awesome. Look at, I love it. And then we get, oh my gosh, look at this box of bling. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to, I think you open it like this. Oh yeah. And they each have their own little compartment. But yeah, you get 4 colors. I got like the AB shift, like a champagne, pink, and the green, and they're all different shapes, but you get, you know, each color has the same shapes. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, I've been needing to get pink rhinestones. Oh, this is so incredible. Wow. Wow, this is definitely amazing. Oh, look at this. And this is 1 ounce. This is gunmetal gray. I just moved that box because I think it was a little blinding, but look at this. Oh my gosh. I believe it's a gray acrylic and it's got like silver gray hexagons. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I definitely don't have anything like this, and that'll go good with the gray polish. Oh my gosh, can't wait to swatch these. And then we get Baby Girl. This is another 1 ounce, and this is just a really pink, maybe it's like a cover. Oh my goodness. Get this peppermint. Oh, how cute. It's got white and red little tiny hexagons. Oh yeah, just like a peppermint. How cute. Oh, I'm excited for this one. I've seen these on her. She's used some of these in her lives. Light pink sugar. Look at that. How gorgeous. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's not picking it up on camera really good, but the pink is just gorgeous. All right, and the last one, this is a 2 ounce, and look at this bright green. Nieve de limon. I think it means like lemon snow or lime snow. Oh, that's pretty. I wonder if it glows. Yeah, it's a neon green. All right, so I'm gonna get everything ready and we're gonna go ahead and swatch the acrylics and all the polishes. I'll be back. All right, so these are all the acrylics and polishes all swatched. So the first one we have is the Nieve de Limon. That one's super pretty. It's so bright, but it does not glow in the dark. And then we have Baby Girl, this real pretty soft pink. And then the gunmetal gray is just, oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to do a gray set. Look how sparkly. And then peppermint, this one's so cute. This is from her new Christmas collection, so I'm excited I got that. And then this is not an acrylic, this is a raw glitter, and it is to sugar, so I just put it over a top coat. And then the polish 027, I want to do a pink Christmas set with this. Oh, it just reminds me of like a pink snowflake. And then the 132, that real pretty gray. And I did use the super matte top coat on the top there, and it's really a pretty matte, really matte. And then the 161, which is that gold, real pretty gold. And then this is everything that I got in the mystery box. I'm very happy with it. I got some brushes, I got that bit holder, which is super cool, all the acrylics, polishes, nail tips. I mean, the bling box is just incredible. The little charms and files. So yeah, very, very pleased with the box. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below so you can check it out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.